Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Aquarius. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking a few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be giving the angel guidance message at last. So, let's see, guys. Let's start the reading now. Okay, Two of Wands. Nine of Wands. Page of Pentacles. Six of Wands and Ten of Cups, guys. Aquarius, with these cards, I feel you're in perfect contentment. You have everything falling into place in your work. You're fortunate enough, uh, and your work is profitable. No problems there. Um, and even in your relationship, you feel you have that person you like, you have everything, but you are not fully satisfied. There is something troubling you. This may be your energy or your person's energy, guys. You may have all the riches, the fortune, probably a marriage, or for some of you all, you may be stepping into the next level, like getting engaged to get married. Everything may be falling into place. You may be having everything. Still, you feel in your heart of hearts you're missing something. There is some kind of worry that is there in your heart, some trouble that is there, something that is causing maybe some delay in your wedding, or some kind of energy like that, guys. Something is causing delay, and you're facing opposition, maybe in your work or in your relationship. Your partner or your person, they are opposing you in a few ways, uh, in a few views about certain things, okay, or in a particular situation. So you are feeling that um, that lack of satisfaction. That is the energy here, Aquarius. But for some of you all, you may be getting a very good news regarding something. Some good news is coming your way. Maybe this engagement, or this committed relationship. Maybe you're stepping into a committed relationship now. So, but you are still having some kind of dissatisfaction. I don't know what is the reason. Let us pick a few more cards from the other deck. Let's see what is the reason for this worry, for some kind of anxiety you're facing now, Aquarius. Let's pick few more cards, guys. Aquarius, with these cards, I feel the reason for your anxiety may be due to work, This may be your energy or your person's energy. Maybe in your work, some people are trying to use you. Um, they are using your efforts and they are taking credit. Okay, so you feel you're wasting your time and energy, and you're not getting anything in return, guys. That is the energy here. Or maybe in your relationship, maybe you feel you're the one who's interested to make this relationship work, and the other person is showing no interest, guys. That may also be the energy here. But this there is also indication in this cards that this situation is going to change, guys. Maybe something is coming to an end. Maybe you're ending this relationship, or you're ending the negative energies in this relationship. Some kind of ending is coming into place. And also I see here that you are having amazing things in store in your life, in your day. Okay, some kind of understanding, you're reaching some kind of understanding regarding a situation, maybe in your work, or this may also mean in your relationship. You're coming into understanding about your situation, guys, and you may see the path to take to reach your goal. Okay, so whatever it is, maybe in your work, regarding some achievements you are planning to have in life, you are seeing the way to attain them. So uh, that is the positive energy here. But something is worrying you, that may be due to the criticisms or arguments you're facing in your work, or at home, in your personal life, with your family members, or with your person in your relationship. So that may also be the energy here, guys, Aquarius. And usually I pick out 3 cards from the other deck, guys, to give us clarity about the situation, like what is the angels guidance for the situation. So let us pick out 3 cards from the other deck, guys, Aquarius. This is angels guidance deck, guys. Let's see what the angels are guiding us to do today. Withdraw, kindness, compassion. So with these cards, the angel guidance message, guys, is you need to for in order to get clarity in your situation, you should view your situation from a different perspective, guys. That is the energy here. So you need to be quiet and watch your situation as a third person, and do not judge, or what to say, you observe, you just observe your situation as a third person, and you will see things clearly from a different perspective. So when you do that, you will just get the clarity in your situation, and the solution will come to you by itself when you just observe. And you need to be what to say, very helpful, guys, in your work or in your relationship with your person. A kind word, a small gesture of some help, a simple smile, it will bring happiness to the other person. So do not forget to do these kind gestures every day to everybody, even to unknown person. We can just smile, it will bring the great happiness. So a small acts just very small minor things also will make our day a better one. So we have to be, what to say, extremely sensitive to the person near us, to our situation, to everybody in our life. So it will help us bring a sense of belonging in our own world. So that is also the energy here, Aquarius. And when you do that, when you be of some help to somebody, okay, maybe not financially, but just by listening to their problems, or just giving them some suggestions regarding some things, when the other person is listening, when you do that, when we open ourselves, we are healing ourselves at the same time. So we feel motivated every day. So showing kindness and being helpful to the people around us and in our situation just opens our heart to love and peace, guys. So in order to overcome this anxiety, maybe this is your person's energy, guys. They may be feeling anxious in this relationship regarding something, maybe due to their work pressure, or some kind of pressure in your relationship. Maybe they feel they are not worthy enough for you. Some kind of guilt may be there in their minds, okay. That may be the reason they are feeling very worried, and they are not able to be happy. So that may also be the energy here, guys. So you just need to, what to say, see your situation from a different perspective and get clarity, guys. That is the angel guidance message. So that is the reading for today, Aquarius. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.